What's up everyone and welcome to our weekend mashup challenge. In today's video we're going to combine Venom with Sonic the Hedgehog. Now the first thing we're going to do is start in the center of our page with the nose. So start right in the center, start with an oval, going all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left. Just coming in, and then back out, and then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Let's go out to the side and draw the top edge of the muzzle. Starting from the left side of the nose, we're just going to curve this down and then bend that up. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now from here we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start over on the left side. I'm just going to curve the mouth coming down in the middle, and we'll bend that back up on the right. Let's open up the mouth. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to step in, curve the mouth coming down. I'm just going to bend this in towards the center of our page, and then we'll overlap the tongue. From here, it's going to bend this out and then down. Now we move back up and add that fold in the center of the tongue. Starting over on the left, curve this up, and then bend that down. Now from the top, we're going to step over, curve out, and then bring that down toward the tip of the tongue. Let's move over towards the right side, step in, curve the mouth coming down, and then in behind the tongue. Now add the top row of teeth, starting right in the center, come down and out towards the left and right, and we'll angle that back up underneath the mouth. Let's add two larger teeth along the side. Just going to bring this down a little bit lower, and angle this back up and out. And we'll add a couple more teeth on either side. Just going down, up, add one more. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the muzzle and round out the cheek. Starting on the left, round this out, bring this in. I'm just going to curve this down in the middle, and then pull that out underneath the tongue. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. Rounding up the cheek, coming down along the side, and then again, just pulling that in behind the tongue. Now I'm going to move back up to the top of the nose and add a fold in between the eyes with a short line. Now let's draw in the left eye. Starting from the center, move over toward the left, curve this out, and then up. Round out the top of the eye, and then pull that down on the left. Let's round out the side of the eye. On the left side, step in, curve the eye going out, and then back in on top of the cheek. Let's do the same thing over on the right. We're going to add a point along the top. We're just going to line this up, curve this out, and then up, round out the top, and then bend that back out. Let's add that point, curving up, and then in. Now we'll round out the side of the eye, going out, down, and then back in. Now I'm going to add Sonic's pupil on the left side. Starting from the very top, draw an oval, coming down, and pull that back up. Add a smaller oval in the center, and we'll fill that in black. Let's add those spikes along the side of the head. From the top of the cheek, we're going to step out, curve this out, and then bend that down. Line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. And we'll pull these spikes back in towards the side of the head. Starting on the left, curve up, and then in. Let's line this up on the right. Let's add another spike. Starting from the top left, bend this out, and then down. Go over towards the right. And we'll pull these spikes going up towards the base of the ear. Starting back on the left, bend this up, and then pull that in towards the top. Let's line this up over on the right, going out, and then down. Let's add in the ears. Starting on the left, curve out, and then up towards the top. And it'll bend the ears coming back in. Come in, and then down on top of the head. Now we're going to add one more spike in the center bent over towards the right. Starting from the base of the ear, step up, curve this up, and then bend that out. And then we'll tuck this in behind the top of the right ear. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Starting from the bottom left, step in, follow that same curve going up, curve in along the inside, connect the ends with a slight curve going up and then in. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's separate the left and right side of the head. Starting from the base of the ear, it's going to curve this down, bend that back up, round out the top, and then pull that back down. And then we'll work our way back over towards the right eye. Rounding this out, going up, come around, bending that in, and I'm just going to pull that down on top of the nose. Let's add a few spots. Starting up here, start with a small circle, go over toward the left, draw a slightly larger circle, and one smaller one on the outside. Let's add a similar trim on the bottom left, starting from the side of the cheek, come down, and then up, round up the top, come back down, and we'll add a small spot along the top. I'm also going to separate the muzzle, starting back over on the left, curve this down, and then up, go underneath the nose, curve out towards the right, and then back in towards the middle. Let's add some drips coming down underneath the left eye. Coming down, and up, come down, and then back up toward the bottom of the eye. Okay, so now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, bending that in. Just line this up on the right hip, curve this out, and then up underneath the tongue. Let's line up the hips in the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the middle, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and then down toward the left ankle, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the legs, starting on the left, come down, and then up. And it'll connect the hips to the bottom of the leg with a curve, going out and then down. Now we're going to add that thick cuff around the ankles. On the bottom left, we're going to step up, go out, and hook that back in, go to the inside, going the opposite direction. And now we'll draw the bottom of the cuff, starting on the outside, go out, come around the bottom, and just pull that in along the inside. Let's go to the inside of the left cuff, curve in, and then down towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start on the left heel, curve the foot, coming down, and we'll just bend that up on the outside. And now we're going to round out the top of the foot. Starting on the left, curve this up, and then in underneath the cuff. Let's add that thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across towards the heel. And we're also going to add that band across the top of the foot, starting from the outside, curve in, and then down towards the sole. We'll step out and draw that same curve. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body on the left, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist, Let's line this up on the outside of the tongue, going out and then down. Let's round out the ends, going out and then up. And we'll pull the arms, going back up, bending that in underneath the head. Now just like we did with the legs, we're going to add a thick cuff around the wrist. From the outside corner, step up, curve out, and then hook that in. Go to the bottom, step up, come down, and then out. Let's close off the bottom of the cuff. On the left, we'll step up, curve out, come down towards the bottom, just tuck that up underneath. And now we're going to open up the hands. We'll start from the bottom of the cuff, start with the thumb coming in, and then bending that out. And then from the bottom, curve up, and then out towards the hand. Let's add 3 claws on either side. Starting from the top of the hand, curve out, and then down. And then from the tip, go up, and then bend that in. And now we'll add 2 more claws on either side. Starting from the left, go out, and then down. Taking that back up towards the hand. And we'll add 1 more claw. Going out and then down. Now we're just going to pull this back up and in behind the cuff. Let's add the tail over on the right side. From the hip, curve out and then up. Taper that back in towards the side of the leg. Now we're going to move back to the center of the body and add that symbol. Starting right at the very top, start with a small curve, going up and then down. And then from the ends, curve out and then up. Taper that back around and then back in. From the side, angle down and out. Pull this out and up. And I'll bend this out and then down towards the side of the body. Now from the inside points, we're going to step down, curve this out, and then down toward the left and right side. Draw a short angle line going up and out. Curve this out and then down. Let's go back to the inside, round out the body going out and then in, leaving a gap in between. Close off the bottom with a curve, going up and then down. Let's go over towards the top left, step down, trace that same curve going up, go down and in, and draw a short line coming in. Let's line this up on the right, coming down and out, curve up, and curve that back down. Let's do that one more time. From the bottom we'll step up, curve up, come down, and angle that up, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add that same transformation effect across the left leg. Starting from the hip, curve in, and then out. Round this out, and then pull that up on the inside of the leg. Let's add a small spot along the bottom. And that's pretty much it. There's a mashup between Venom and Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's challenge. You can drop your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.